Peitngor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar Hukum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut mendirang ba ka jelau ba Preston Tensong ulong ba ka Sorkar kala hukum yagi Deputy Commissioner bagi Superintendent of Police jongi district repair ha ka jela bakin long ki Peitngor bat ban pentikna bagi Mynder kin om yo ban Rung Kyrthep ha ka ni ka jela jongi uba Preston lakran ya kani de hadin bala jur ka jeng kendang Mynder jonga Sorkar Assam perhadian ba pen praru i babon ba ki yeng ki blashna bian ha ki jaga jong ka Sorkar.
In fact, we already had a meeting with all the concerned department. We have already instructed the DGP and also all the concerned district administration and the SPs to be more vigilant in case if there is any kind of influx through Assam or if there is any kind of trying to enter the state of Meghalaya. We have already alerted and we have already instructed also to all the district administration, both DC and the SP.
Any detection till now?
Till today, no information yet. We are yet to get any information, and we will update you if you have any detection. If we get any detection, I think, as I said, we will come back. Well, the status right now, in fact, we are waiting the date from our counterpart, because as I said to you, from Assam side they have 3-4 chairmen of different locations. So whereas this side we have in the West Kasil side where Paul Lengdo is the chairman, and then the Riboy side and Block 2 I am the chairman, and Jantia Hills side and Block 1 is SDR is Deputy CM is the chairman. So ultimately, as I said to you, we have already requested our counterpart to fix the date which is convenient to both. So let us wait and see whether the date is available or not for them, because I've already told you once. I think almost all parties, even all MLAs, all ministers, it seems they are also busy preparing for the next general election, which is to be held in Assam next year.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba ba phinyo ka license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ko pi hap pan upload ru ki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong phi pila ru banyak kendo ki designated officers lani food safety officers ki badan hak office terekam jong u lani ka district medical and health officer habro ki district ki badan ha Meghalaya latno tang ha east Khasihers pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya naka benta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat bala kershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.